So the moniker of Earthchild, and awkwardly a lineage of saints, which wears most well if one doesn't want to be a statue. Curious walls. Be of one of supplication to herbs. Because the mistress of herbs, this is one hit. I just put these in here. I just break these up. Put the excess into a bowl. Shite. I always spill this crap. So I'm going to bottle it up finally because I play with it. This is my food. This is my spice. This is purple perilla. Now this is 2 years old. So how long have I had this sitting around? So I am completely lazy on this herb side. And the penalty, I don't know of which religion, is that I have to get out of here and take much longer at this now than I normally would have. This is my personal consumption. This is all I got time for. Being arson poison, having to cure myself and maybe grow a little, what is that? Jamaican ginger. That's a Jamaican ginger. But showing you this grinder out here in Dog City. Actually, this is Singapore Attack. Where's my on button? This is my first time using this extension cord, so, and this plug, which is one rotten now. Not my fault. Oh, it is my fault. One fault. Ah! Getting a little hot. Pop this off. Here's Mamacita. Now don't put your fingers in there. This is the fine dust. This would be all your cooking needs. Right away. Don't have to worry about anything else. Picking through it, grinning through it, chewing it through like a beast. We can aspire to a mild nibbling. Can we not? Whoa! See me and toys, I tell you.